With excitement building around the upcoming Nothing Phone 3, several leaks and speculations have surfaced, hinting at a fresh design, advanced specs, and possibly a Pro variant. As information shared by tipster tech nerd on X. Firstly, the display and performance expectations bring a promising setup. According to TechNerd, the Nothing Phone 3 may feature a 6.5-inch screen. Accompanying this screen size is a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, fabricated on a 4nm process. Notably, this leak counters earlier rumors that suggested a different processor, making the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 a possible upgrade choice for Nothing. TechNerd also notes that this device is likely codenamed Arcanine, inspired by the iconic Pokémon, which adds an interesting touch to its branding. Adding to the leaks, there is speculation around the introduction of a Pro variant in the Nothing Phone 3 series. This would be a first for Nothing, as previous models have only seen a Plus version, such as with the Phone 2A and Phone 2A Plus. According to TechNerd, this Pro model could be a larger device with a 6.7-inch screen, making it an attractive option for those who enjoy an expanded display. Under the hood, the Pro version may feature MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9040 processor, built on an advanced 3nm process. With this configuration, the Pro model could deliver superior processing power and efficiency compared to the standard model. The Pro variant carries the codename Hisuian Arcanine and the model number A059P, suggesting it's a more powerful upgrade in the series. A new back design concept image, shared on Reddit, gives enthusiasts a glimpse of potential aesthetic changes. The back of this device seems to draw inspiration from Nothing's previous design philosophy, but with notable adjustments. One of the significant changes involves the glyph lights, which have been reportedly reduced to 7. These glyphs include a flash glyph, an essential notification glyph, and a charging glyph, along with a recorder light and flashlight. This change indicates a more refined approach, potentially balancing functionality with a minimalist aesthetic. Also, this concept suggests a triple camera unit arrangement, with a main, ultra-wide and telephoto lens configuration, similar to that seen on Apple's iPhone Pro models. Although Nothing's previous releases only had dual rear cameras, this design indicates a possible shift toward a higher-end photographic experience. Based on the design concept, a charging coil is visible at the center of the back panel, while the volume rocker is placed on the left side. Interestingly, the power button and an additional button are situated on the right side panel, which could signal added functionalities or customizable options for users. Adding further confirmation, a database leak revealed the existence of two devices with model numbers A059 and A059P, which were identified in the IMEI database by Gizmochina. This aligns with the speculated naming of the base and Pro models, with the P suffix potentially indicating a Plus variant, rather than a Pro, as Nothing has used Plus in past devices. This finding strengthens the belief that two variations of the device are indeed in development and may launch under the Nothing Phone 3 branding. Additionally, official hints regarding the device's existence have surfaced in Nothing's promotional content. In a recent YouTube video, a brief segment around the 654 to 657 mark featured the device alongside other products, such as Ear, Open, and OS 3.0. This subtle appearance indirectly confirmed that the next generation is in the works. Nothing's CEO, Carl Pei, also hinted at the device's launch timeline, suggesting it would arrive in 2025 rather than the previously anticipated July 2024. Pei's remarks additionally teased potential AI features, indicating that Nothing is likely exploring ways to integrate artificial intelligence for personalized user experiences. The anticipated pricing for the standard model is around $599, while the Pro variant is expected to cost approximately $699. What do you think of these potential features for the Nothing Phone 3? Let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed.